To get the most out of Awardwallet sync accounts, it is essential to understand the basics of how the system works and how to use it effectively. Awardwallet is a tool designed to help you track your loyalty programs, including frequent flyer miles, hotel points, and credit card rewards. First, you need to create an account on the Awardwallet website and add your loyalty programs to the platform. This involves providing your account information, such as username and password, to allow Awardwallet to access your account data. Once your accounts are linked, Awardwallet will begin to track your balances and expiration dates, providing you with a centralized view of your loyalty programs. You can also set up alerts to notify you when your points are about to expire or when there are changes to your account balances. To use Awardwallet sync accounts effectively, it is crucial to keep your account information up to date. This includes updating your passwords and account details whenever you make changes to your loyalty program accounts. Another key concept is to use the Awardwallet app to track your accounts on the go. The app allows you to access your account information from your mobile device, making it easy to stay on top of your loyalty programs wherever you are. A best practice is to regularly review your account balances and expiration dates to ensure you are getting the most out of your loyalty programs. This involves checking your accounts regularly and using your points before they expire. In terms of practical examples, Awardwallet can be used to track a wide range of loyalty programs, including airline frequent flyer programs, hotel loyalty programs, and credit card rewards programs. For instance, you can use Awardwallet to track your American Airlines AAdvantage miles, your Hilton Honors points, or your Chase Ultimate Rewards points. By following these tips and using Awardwallet sync accounts effectively, you can maximize the value of your loyalty programs and earn more points and rewards. This involves staying organized, keeping your account information up to date, and regularly reviewing your account balances and expiration dates.